Hi, Assalamualaikum. Good day. Today we are going to do a revision on one of the subtopics in chemistry, which is consumer and industrial chemistry. Today we will be focusing on soap and detergents. Okay, so we're going to do a special activity today using virtual reality. Okay, but before that, let us just revise what is cleaning agents. Okay, cleaning agents are the chemical substances that is used to remove any dirt in our clothes or anything on any surface, okay, such as grease or dirt, okay, and there are mainly two types of cleaning agent, which are soaps and detergent, okay. Now, what is the difference between soaps and detergent? Are detergents only used for clothes, or can't we use soap for clothes as well? Okay, so today we are going to explore the molecular structure of soap and detergent. Okay, so soap, we know they are mainly either sodium or potassium salt of a long chain fatty acid. Okay, and these fatty acids are actually carboxylic acids. Okay, with long carbon chains. Sometimes it can go up to 18 to 20 carbon atoms per molecule. Okay, and we can prepare soap using animal fats or vegetables oil, okay, like palm oil, corn oil, or animal fats. Okay, and this preparation of soap, we call them saponification. All right. Okay, so today we are going to see the uh, effectiveness. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so we are going to look at the structure of the soap and detergent. How are they different? And we are going to see the cleansing action of soap and detergent. Are they different or are they the same? And we are going to compare the cleaning capacity. Which one is better? Okay. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, let's do some laundry. So let me repeat here. The hydrocarbon tail are hydrophobic. They don't like to be in water. So they will find their way to go to the dirt or the grease that is available on the surface of the cloth. And the hydrophilic head, which is the polar head, loves water. So they will be outside and they will soon clump together and become like this. So when the action of washing and rinsing, you will be able to remove them. Okay, so we're done cleaning our baju. All right, now we're going to compare the cleaning capacity of soap and detergent. How are they different? Okay, usually we will look at this in terms of how do we wash our clothes when we are using hot water. What is hot water? Hot water are water that contains calcium or magnesium ions. Okay, so hot water, when you use hot water, what happens with soap? And another one, hot water with detergent. What happens next? Okay, 50 cm cube each on beaker A and beaker B. So we're going to add calcium chloride so to make the hot water. Okay, hot water are usually available like well water, air telaga, or water from the river. They contain calcium. They contain calcium ions and magnesium ions. Okay, so beaker A, we're going to use soap. Okay, just a few chunks of soap. So we're going to heat it a little. You're going to heat it and we're going to stir it and see what happens. So we're going to do the same thing to pick a B, only we are adding detergent. Okay. What you can see, you can see the scum, like small, it is precipitate, white precipitate, that's called scum. Okay, so you can see here, soap is not suitable for washing clothes in hard water because of the scum that it can produce. While using detergent, you can't see any scum form, right? Okay, good job, everyone. Now let's assess our knowledge. Okay, now which part is hydrophobic? The one doesn't like the water. Remember this part? Yes. Okay, we call it hydrophobic. Phobia of water. The tail part. Okay, let's go there. Yeah, here. Okay, so soap molecules in a soap myself. Does it look like this, or like this, or like this, or like this? Which one? Okay, you remember they do look something like this. Looks white, okay, but it's just that the tails are not embedded in the grease, okay. Or else, if you look at here, this is the one that's from the soap itself. Where is it? Okay, over here. All right, which one is the scum? Which one looks like the scum? If you remember, okay, let's go here. Okay, that means you need to choose the particular hard water that is produced because of the addition of calcium ions or magnesium ions. Okay, so you see water and ethanol is a no-no. Salt and sodium chloride is actually salt, table salt that we use at home. Water and acetone, water and magnesium sulfate. Magnesium, right? Good job. You're done. Good job. Okay, so okay, so good job, everyone. So before we end our class, I would like to conclude that we have looked into the molecular structure of soap and detergent, and we were able to determine which part is hydrophilic and which part is hydrophobic. Okay, the hydrophobic part will go and embed themselves into the grease, while the hydrophilic part will remain in water. Okay, and when the cloth is scrubbed, the grease is loosened and it is lifted off the surface because of the density of the grease is lower than the density of water. So when the grease is completely lifted off, the hydrophobic part of the soap and ions surround the grease, suspending it in the water. And the grease is emulsified and dispersed into small droplets like the one we saw just now. Okay, and the small droplets repel one another, right? Because they have the same negative charges. Okay, and the droplets do not redeposit on the surface of the cloth anymore. Okay, then when we rinse the water in the cloth, okay, the droplets are removed from the surface of the cloth. Now the cloth is clean. All right. And we also looked at how effective is soap and detergent in the hot water, which hot water, please remember, they contain high concentrations of calcium ions and magnesium ions. Okay, so these ions in the hard water will make the soap to be not effective. Okay, why? Because they will be forming scum, right? Where else you can't see that in detergent. Okay, so this shows that detergent is a better cleaning agent in hard water compared to soap. Okay, so I really hope that you learned something today. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.